तो सीधा रुक करते हैं, विलिनियम पोर्ट का जो है उद्घाटन किया गया है और यहाँ पर सुनते हैं
twice that of what the country's GDP.
करण अडानी को, वो क्या कह रहे हैं.
And today we don't have that capacity, and that is what we are not worried about that. I think in our view this will get filled up much faster than what we anticipate. So we have to be enabler of the growth in the country, and we do believe that end of the day whatever we are building today, it's not enough. Even today what we are building is not enough. There is much. I mean, when we built this, everybody were questioning whether this will be filled up or not. Today we are clocking almost 100,000 moves every month.
Yeah, you will hit 1 million.
We are already full. No, we are already full.
Yeah.
We are already full. Our run rate is already at 1.2 million.
Do new projects like Andaman, do you think that can cause, is it a concern or is it like a, you know?
I don't think so. It's a concern. I don't think so. It's a concern. Country needs more. As I said, country needs more infrastructure, more points. It has to hedge its bets as much as possible. Less concentration is always better. I always believe that. So I think it will all of this will enable the growth of the country, help in reducing the trade cost, and that is what we have to aim for.
You were at the board meeting yesterday. What is the capex that you have for the year?
12,000?
12,000.
12,000.
11,000 to 12,000 is the guidance.
Okay.
12,000.
And this will be broadly be used for what? I mean,
So first is ports, where we are talking about 6,000, but ports mainly capacity expansion in Mundra, Colombo, and Dhamra, all the major ports where we are doing the capacity expansion. Then we have second pillar, which is the logistics. In logistics, we are investing, of course, in the rail network and so on, but most important, trucking and the warehousing. The third pillar for us is the marine, which is now a very distinctive business unit. So we are going to invest in marine. And the fourth one is what we have started is technology and decarbonization. So approximately 1,380 crores will be on technology and the decarbonization, which includes renewable energy and what we have seen technology here. We would like to copy paste these kind of technologies in our ports to improve the efficiency and effectiveness.
this will not include inorganic expansions. This 12,000
Sorry?
crores will be over and above that if at all you identify
M&As.
a target company, M&A and all that.
So that will be opportunistic. Not something that we have on our something which we can predict and say.
Right.
Any
As far as,
similar opportunities see in other states?
Sorry?
Similar opportunities in other states for transshipment?
No, transshipment. See, you have to see this. That transshipment only works on major trade routes. The why Vizhinjam works is because it is 10 nautical miles away from the major trade route.
Yeah.
So any deviation, any major deviation, if you ask shipping lines to make, it does not work because for them it's a cost. As long as you are on the major trade route, it's very difficult to replicate this kind of asset anywhere else in the country. Very, very difficult.
So any opportunities for imports you see other states?
In ports?
Yeah.
So ports, we obviously we see Vadhavan as a big opportunity as and when it happens. We do see organic growth in our ports already because the ports that we already have, 16 ports in the country. There we see a huge opportunity for further growth and expansion. So yeah.
But when do you see the multimodal connectivity actually coming to fruition?
In Vizhinjam, it would be what government is talking
Sir,
about?
our temporary connectivity road will happen in the next 3 to 4 months' time.
Yeah.
The clover leaf between 18 to 24, full-fledged clover leaf on road.
Yeah.
28 there is the commitment. By the time we do the expansion, they will bring the rail also.
Governments, because railway has to be brought by government, so their commitment is 2028.
So what further innovation are you planning for the port?
What further innovation? So, as Ashwini mentioned, a lot of focus on decarbonization. So
तो अडानी पोर्ट्स के जो एमडी करण अडानी, उनको आपने सुना। दरअसल आज प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने केरल में विड़िन्यम बंदरगाह का उद्घाटन किया और देश का पहला ट्रांसशिपमेंट पोर्ट है। विड़िन्यम भारत में गहरे पानी का सबसे बड़ा बंदरगाह है और करीब 8900 करोड़ रुपए की अनुमानित लागत से बनाया गया है। इस पोर्ट को पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप के तहत भारत के सबसे बड़े बंदरगाह डेवलपर और अडानी समूह का हिस्सा APSEZ द्वारा विकसित किया गया है। केरल के तिरुवनंतपुरम जिले में मौजूद इस बंदरगाह से अंतर्राष्ट्रीय व्यापार और शिपिंग में भारत की भूमिका बदलने की उम्मीद है। ये अंतर्राष्ट्रीय शिपिंग मार्ग से सिर्फ 10 समुद्री मील की दूरी पर है और इसमें प्राकृतिक रूप से गहरा पानी है, जो कि इसे बड़े मालवाहक जहाजों के लिए आदर्श बनाता है।